Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through a super handy Mailchimp tip that can instantly improve the look of your email campaigns. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to add a clean line break or visual spacer to your Mailchimp designs without any extra padding or awkward formatting. This is one of those little tricks that can really give your newsletters that neat professional touch. Let's dive right in. First things first, head over to your Mailchimp account and open up the design you're working on. Maybe it's a weekly newsletter, a sales announcement, or even just a simple update to your subscribers. Whatever it is, you want every section to look organized and easy on the eyes. So let's make sure we're in the right place. Once you're in your campaign editor, you'll see your content on the left and all your design tools and elements on the right. Don't worry if your screen looks a bit different than mine. Mailchimp sometimes updates their interface, but the basics always stay the same. Now, let's say you've got two paragraphs, two images, or any two pieces of content that are kind of running into each other and making things look just a little crowded. To create a visual break, a neat dividing line that separates those sections, you might think about hitting enter a few times or adding empty text sections. But that usually adds extra space and most of the time ends up looking inconsistent or messy. Here's the much easier and cleaner way. Just drag and drop in a divider. On the right side of your Mailchimp editor, under the Content Blocks area, look for the block labeled Divider. It usually has a little icon that looks like a horizontal line. Go ahead and click that, hold it, and drag it right between the two sections where you want your line break to appear. You'll see a dark bar show up as you hover. This lets you preview where the divider will land. Once you're happy with the spot, just let go and voila, you've officially added a line break. The awesome thing about using a divider block is that it doesn't bring any extra padding by default, so it keeps your layout tight and tidy. But if you do want to adjust the space above or below that line, you can click on the divider and tweak the settings in the sidebar. You even have options to change the line's thickness, color, or style, so whether you want a subtle gray line, a bold colored chunk, or something barely, there you're all set. I personally love using dividers when I want to guide my readers' eyes as they scroll, or to neatly separate different topics in a newsletter. It's kind of like creating chapters in a book. It helps people mentally pause and refocus. If at any point the divider seems a bit off, don't worry. You can always click and drag it up or down again or remove it with a single click. Sometimes it takes a couple of tries to get everything just the way you want, and that's totally normal. And that's really it. Adding a clean line break in Mailchimp is as simple as dragging in a divider. No extra padding, no confusing formatting, just a smooth, professional look in seconds. I hope this Mailchimp quick tip made your email designing a whole lot easier. If it did, give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have other Mailchimp questions or want to see more tips like this. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more super practical tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.